Welcome to our channel. Doctors Karen and Matilda here, and we appreciate seeing both our current and new viewers. Our clips are for educational purposes. Today we look at CVs, and you think it's obvious, but many times there's a mix-up between CVs and resumes, and we forget to view the fine print required by the agency, and that can harm our application from progressing to being a winning one. So there's a lot to go through. So again, we'll get right into it. How to write a successful CV or scholarship. There's no miracle uh, way to write it, but these are some tips and tricks that we've seen over the years and in our experiences. A resume is a short document, maybe 2 pages. A CV, a curriculum vitae is longer, and it's more chronological, most of them starting from the most recent achievement, and you go backward. And with the CV, you can get away with listing everything, but a lot more than in a resume. However, it's always good to check to see what the agency or application that you're applying to, what they want from you. Sometimes they provide their own resume or CV document, but if they don't, bear the difference in mind. There's a brief definition. The first one is a resume, which is very brief, and I have rarely seen it gone beyond 2 pages. Uh, it highlights your skills and so on, and you get to write little statements in between, and you can tailor it to different applications, different application, different agencies you're applying to. Uh, the curriculum vitae is a more detailed document, and it's heavily skewed towards the academic achievements or research, and it outlines your professional history, including publications, awards, and teaching gigs, and so on. Uh, so from here forward, we look mainly at the curriculum vitae. So you have your personal information, your personal status. It's about 2 or 3 lines of what you uh, that what you want people to know about you. Because remember, this is your marketing document. You're marketing yourself to the scholarship agency. And it has these different sections: education, work, research, skills, awards and achievement, volunteer work, your references, your social media links, and so on. It's really designed for clarity and your chronological achievements. And remember, you're pitching yourself. This is a document where you show your abilities, your skills, your knowledge without feeling shy about it. So don't be shy. You work with 2,000 students, say it. You achieve a design, state it. Uh, you won an award for community work, place it here. Uh, so again, remember, this is your pitching document, and it lays out all these things that makes you marketable to the agency. Uh, and try not to confuse yourself, because often there's so many things to keep track of. If you're not, if you don't make a checklist of what you need to include, or you have a master document with all the things you've done, you can overlook some essential things that can make you attractive to the agency. Because some agencies are specific, they look for a region, agenda, persuasion, and so on. So be aware of all those things and read the fine print. Thoroughly read what the people need from you before you start applying. We talked in previous clips about eligibility. So check that clause, that eligibility clause. It's an important thing that can help you to strategically design your resume or CV. So I hope you find this clip helpful. And this, I think, completes our Empowerment Through Scholarships series. If you need help crafting yours, you can email us or place your request in the comments below. In our next clip, we'll be answering viewers' questions or another question that we found on academic pages online or from our experiences. Our previous clips are in the playlist, and that will be in the description. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and from the desk of Doctors Karen and Matilda, remember to make it a great week and weekend. And until our next clip, bye.